Can you guess what it is? Hey everybody! Hey NailTubers! Welcome to episode 6 of the
Masked Finger!
I'll be working on McCart full coverage clear coffin nails, and for today, our masked guest is something everyone needs, a nail practice hand.
What are you? What are you? What are you?
This nail practice hand is Kiko. She was handcrafted right here at Pick You Color Studio. The objective here is just like the TV show. You have to figure out what nail product nail practice hand is hiding. Let me first explain the set. Today, I'm using this red with glossy top coat and matte top coat. All of the nails will be a solid color. One will be 2 different finishes though. Then 2 will get stones. I think you're really gonna like this set. This is an absolutely fun nail spin-off from the popular TV series of The Masked Singer, and to play along is pretty much the same. As we give you clues throughout this video, you have to guess what nail product is under the masked finger. And while I'm polishing, here is your first clue.
I wanted to do this out of sheer joy.
I'm just not sure yet.
I never get this right. Let me say this, guys. This series has been such a fun adventure, and there have been supportive compliments from many of you. But this has been following the original TV program, even on the days that it comes on. But now their season 4 will be the finale. So be sure not to miss the final masked finger next week. There really isn't a lot to explain about this set. As you see, I'm only using the one color. Oh, and if you like the nails that I'm wearing, I did these in this week's Boujee Nails on a Budget, which was yesterday. I'll have a link in the description box for you. Has anyone figured this out yet? Well, since no one has, here is your second clue.
I am always the one to come to when you need to clear things up.
What is that supposed to mean?
Is this a counseling moment? And while we are contemplating that clue, let's just give a round of compliments for Kiko, our nail practice hand. Isn't Kiko so adorable? And her best feature is she is so jazzy and dazzled out with her ring and tennis bracelet. We love you, Kiko. I'm using striping tape as a guide. Then I will use glossy top coat and matte finish kitty corner to each other and remove the tape right away. You have now reached the point of your final clue.
If you don't mind, I prefer to always be transparent with you.
Oh, I know exactly what it is.
Here we go again. And those are your clues, everyone. This is tricky because it sounds hard, but is easy at the same time. I will polish glossy for one corner, flip the nail, and do matte finish in the opposite corner. And since we are being transparent, I will let you in on a little something. This was actually as far as I had gotten with a design idea for this set. It stopped at these 4 corners, guys. Then I thought to lay striping tape back down. But after I did, it dawned on me that I put it down over what I laid as the finish. Because you guys know striping tape will play you. Do you hear me? It will play you. You go create that beautiful set, then it'll start curling up from the ends. So I decided to go right back over it with the 2 finishes. Then I added some brush-on glue to start in with some beautiful bling. And the moment has come to know what Kiko is hiding. But before we reveal that to you, Kiko, do you have any words for the viewers?
I had to step out of my normal self to do this, and I am so glad that I did. It has been such a wonderful experience, and I really hope that you have been enjoying this.
Kiko, we're glad you did this too.
Yeah, you made us so happy.
Take it off. Take it off. Take it off.
Oh, Kiko, we hate to see this end, but we really want to know who you are.
Yeah, we get to find out.
It's Jelly Polish. Jelly Polish, you are one of my favorite, and I really enjoyed you being here. Everyone, here is your final look at Jelly Polish together with its mask, previously known as Kiko, the nail practice hand. Thank you so much, Jelly Polish. You really did a great job.